In this video, we've been making a Vietnamese pancake. It looks like an egg omelette, like, when you make an omelette of eggs. But you use a wrap made of rice, like a sheet, a plain sheet, like, and you put the ingredients on it, and then you put your stuff into the pan first, like whatever, like maybe chives, things you cut up. You put that in there, fry that, and then you have the sauce there, like that white bowl right there. You see that big spoon? And then you take some of that and you pour it in and mix it in. See, like the ingredients right there she's doing right there. See, look at all that fire. Ooh, you have to know what you're doing, because that fire can blow back on you, burn your face. And then see, she's gonna take that big spoon, pour some, like you were doing an omelet, like it looks like an egg omelet. See, right there. Right, and put it back in the fire and cover it. Yeah, she adjusts the fire. And there. Apparently she's pleased with what she just made. Leave it on a few minutes. You need the right amount of heat to cook that. Vietnamese pancake. Yeah. Name is pancake, Vietnamese pancake. But they don't use pancake sauce or anything remotely like that. It's very different. But they adopt that term. So she's ready to lift the cover. Right there. She's flipping it. See? She flips it. You have to be good at that. I tried it and it fell out. See? She did it and she flipped it over. Right? Look at that. It looks just like an omelette, but flat. See? I'm not sure why this camera been having a mind of its own, flipping up and down. So anyway, she's gonna do a few more, and then I'm gonna try it also. So I'll pause right here and I'll add some music so you can look through the rest of the video and see what's going on. And in the end, I'm gonna be served lunch. They'll bring me something, and I'm sitting under this big outdoor green umbrella with some water and so forth. If you want a drink here, you have to pay. This is the way it works. All the food that I'm eating there is free. It's included. But if I want to drink like a Coca-Cola or Sprite, then I have to pay for that. So basically I have water. That's what look at the fire. See? That's the shrimp. Yeah, cooking with those chopsticks. That's me there. See? And then you add that in. Right? That's what you add in. See? And she turned the pan. Yeah. And then she covers this now. See, right there. You see this stuff here? these beans are right there. So this is going on. And in the back there you have some other students too. Not in my class, but they also at the cooking school. So after that, so this will be the end of the cooking class here. After this, I'm gonna ride back on the bike back to my hotel, to the Kim Ann Hotel. Yeah, Toy is talking to me, mentioning something right there. Okay.